Hey guys! This black soy sauce, make sure it says that. The seasoning sauce, you need a sugar, a type of oil, white distilled vinegar, and also tomato sauce. And of course, the rice noodles, you soak them in hot water and whatever veggies and protein that you want to add to this. So you just add in the oil, wait till it gets warm, obviously, and then you'll add your veggies and proteins first to make sure that those cook all the way through. You can definitely cook them to your liking. If you want them more soft, leave them on for longer, and if you just want them kind of crunchy, don't cook them as much. And then we'll add a little bit more oil here now once they're cooked, and then we'll add in the rice noodles. So basically you just want to stir the rice noodles around so they can kind of stir fry and so that they're soft. And then what I do is I add all the ingredients on top of them, and then I'll mix it up with 2 separate spatulas. So what I do here is I just add in splashes of the seasoning sauce. You can kind of consider this as like the salt and just add it to taste. So it depends on your preference because it does make it a little bit salty. Just make sure you mix everything up really well, and I'm adding water in right there because if it gets super dry, then you just add a little bit of water and it will make it saucy again. So if your noodles were kind of hard, don't worry because they'll definitely cook through way more and get soft as you continue cooking, and you just want to mix it really well. Also, I'll put all the ingredients in the description, and this is how it turned out. This is the Thai tea that I use. I just got it at an Asian market. It says to add 4 tablespoons of tea to 1 cup of boiling water. Remember, they usually use a nut bag to strain the Thai tea. I'm using this. Improvising. So the pad thai came out really good. I hope you guys try the recipe out. Try it out, let me know how it turns out, and let me know what you think. Also, I did not have any ice for the pad thai, but it's literally still kind of warm, which is really weird because I've never drank Thai tea when it's hot or warm. I usually have it iced, but there's no ice. But for some weird reason, it actually tastes really good. I might do more Thai ones since I did work at the Thai restaurant and I know a bunch of like ingredients they use and recipes. If you have any suggestions, just let me know and I would really appreciate those as well.